Hello friends, my name is Sally. I'd like to share with you a Tai Chi sequence, the 24 form, referring to 24 specific movements we do within this form. Follow along. Bending at your knees, floating one foot out, make your weight even, raising the arms and lowering. Gather energy, parting wild horse's mane, and 3 times. Third time, stork spreads its wings. Circling arms for brush knee. And reaching through, hand under elbow, play guitar. Step back, repulse monkey. 4 steps back. And gathering energy, ward off series. Circle the hands and push with the body. To the other side. Ward off. Circle and push with the body. Extending arms, turning the belly, eagle's beak, gathers energy for wide single whip. Waving hands like the clouds, and stepping out and stepping in as you circle the arms. Third time, wide single whip. And stepping in your feet, raising the knee, heel kick, knee smash, boxing ears. Turning towards your other leg, heel kick, snake creeps down, and brushing off your front toes. Raising the knee, other side. Fair maiden works the shuttles. Needle at the bottom of the seat. Fan through the back. And turning, fist in your hand, catwalk, and punch. Hands come inward, hands press away, coming home, parent closure. And bring your feet back together. And we'll do side 2, bending at the knees and floating your other foot out. Equalize, raise the arms and lower. And gathering energy, parting wild horse's mane. 3 of these. Stork spreads its wing. Brush knee. Reaching through, play guitar, step back, repulse monkey. And the 4th time, gather energy for ward off. And circle the hands. Push with the body. Other side, ward off. Circularize and push. Arms extend, turning the belly, eagle's beak, gather energy, the wide single width. Wave hands like the clouds and step over to your side, making circles with the arms. Gather energy, wide single width. Changing the feet, raising the knee, heel kick, knee smash, box ears, turning to the other side, heel kick, and snake creeps down. Other side. Fair maiden works the shuttles. Needle at the bottom of the C. And fan to the back. Turning, making fist in your hand, catwalk, and punch. Hands face you, hands face away, and coming home, crossing at the wrist. Release your hands and bring your feet back together. And that completes both sides of the sequence. Thank you and enjoy.